The Federal Bureau of Investigation held a press conference in North Platte today addressing several vital issues throughout the nation and region. Our own Mia Dugan was among those in attendance.
Wednesday afternoon, the FBI hosted a press conference highlighting child trafficking, sex trafficking, drug trafficking, violent crimes, elder fraud, and more. Authorities have stressed concerns on child trafficking and sex trafficking in the North Platte region due to the close proximity of the Interstate 80. The special agent in charge of the FBI's Omaha field office, Gene Cowell, specifically focused on child and sex trafficking. According to Agent Cowell, sex traffickers typically recruit and groom these victims by using financial incentives or other persuasive techniques. Agent Cowell also said human trafficking often impacts the most vulnerable.
Talk to your children, talk to young people you work with, that you know with. Be very careful online. The people they think they're talking to very well could not be the actual people they think. And a lot of the human trafficking we see across the country and in this area can start online. It doesn't necessarily start like physically in person, people trolling neighborhoods. It can often start online. The traffickers are very good at manipulating those people who are suffering.
Agent Cowell adds that the majority of trafficking seen in the Lincoln County region comes from the predators within the United States.
A lot of the human trafficking threat is domestic. It's people in the U.S. Who find victims who are vulnerable. Maybe they're runaways, they don't have a good support network at home, and they start grooming them, they start recruiting them into this human trafficking network. It's not people coming from other countries to do it, it's often people based here. In terms of the actual human trafficking, a lot of it is really domestic. It's U.S. citizens targeting vulnerable U.S. citizens here in our country.
Agent Cowell advises children to especially be cautious when using the internet. If an unknown person reaches out through email or any social media platform, children should work with parents, guardians, or a trusted adult to verify the legitimacy of the situation and avoid any suspicious activity. In order to help diminish the child trafficking demands in the United States, Agent Cowell says the FBI can help mitigate it through education areas such as cybersecurity. But in order to prevent it in the first place, Agent Cowell says it will take a collective approach from social workers, teachers, and trusted individuals to come together and form a united network to keep children safe. He advises people to call local law enforcement or the FBI if suspicious of child trafficking or sex trafficking. Kent, back to you.